I want you to imagine something for me. I want you to imagine a world where fashion is not just a trend, but a personal statement. A world where style is not dictated, but discovered. But in a world that never sleeps, where the change is the only thing constant, how do you keep up with the relentless world of fashion? How do you find your own unique style in this world of chaos? Introducing FashionBrain, your AI-powered personal stylist that has the potential to revolutionize your world. This is not just an app. This is your fashion epiphany. FashionBrain understands you. It sees beyond the fabrics and stitches, crafting outfits that resonate with your every essence. So, embrace your own identity. With FashionBrain, you're not just keeping up with times, you're defining them. So be bold, be brave, be the forefront of the fashion evolution. Enough chit-chat though. I know you're all dying to know how the app will work. Basically, we made the process super easy. It only takes 3 steps, so even your grandma can use it. First, the app will take a survey from the user to better understand their fashion preferences and to give outfits that the user will enjoy wearing. Then the app will take a body scan of the user to determine their every feature like body shape, body type, skin tone and facial structure, and etc. Finally, the AI algorithm will recommend you outfits based on both the data collected from the survey and the body scan to ensure customer satisfaction. But you may ask yourself, like, Radin, what's wrong with my outfit? I feel like I have a really good sense of fashion. Like, I don't need an AI to tell me how I should dress, right? Well, the outfits you wear basically reflect on your personality. And people view you better with better outfits. Like, you may dress up as a hippie, as a salesman, as a normal everyday guy, or maybe Drake. But the fact that stuff you wear really resonates with your personality. So let me just give you a real example. Look at this fine gentleman over here. I don't know what he's doing with his hands. I think he just forgot that he needs to pose for the camera so the audience can see his body shape better. But let me just tell you, he has a inverted triangle body shape. One of the few body shapes for men that the shoulder to hip ratio is 2:1. And look at the colors he's wearing. It doesn't really complement his skin tone. And it looks lazy, something off. Here's a better view of the colors so you can better understand me. But with the right clothing, this guy can go from a wannabe gangster to absolute baddie. Like, look at that jawline over there. Look at the colors he's wearing. Again, they look bland, but they're not lazy anymore. They look cold, but they also complement the skin. Here's a better view for you guys. Now that you know why you may need the app, let's talk about FashionBrain's features that I'm sure it will put it ahead of its competition. The core feature of the app, Fashion Vision, which basically takes a photo of the user, scans it, determines its features, like body shape. Again, this guy over here has an X body shape, meaning his shoulder to hip ratio is kind of the same. And after recommending you outfits and after figuring out what you should wear, it generates an AI image of you wearing the outfit and also posing, so you can better understand what the outfit will look on you. Like this. This is my favorite. Like, this is really clean streetwear. This just looks cool. This looks like a Pinterest photo. But don't get me wrong, these are all AI-generated images of real people wearing some outfits. Next up is something that you don't really think about, but you should kind of. Accessories can either make or break an outfit. Wearing good accessories can enhance your look. Wearing bad ones can just ruin it. So Accessory Maker gives you recommendations on what accessories to wear based on the outfit chosen. Basically, so you don't even have to worry about those stuff. Next up is My Closet, the most unique feature of the app, which lets users upload a photo of their own clothing, and the AI algorithm will recommend how you can style them together. This really works for some people who have like a really big closet, but don't know how to wear them. Like me, I can really use this, and I'm sure you can too. Next up is the most underrated part of an outfit, the smell. Scent Selector recommends you fragrances and colognes to wear based on the style you've chosen, so you can even smell like the thing you're wearing. And the moneymaker of the app, Shop Scout, which after recommending you outfits, FashionBrain will also scour the internet looking for the exact same outfit that I just recommended, and it gives you the option to buy it from the app itself. And you don't even have to worry about sizes, because FashionBrain already has your measurements. So you can have a seamless purchasing experience. But enough of this. How am I going to make this work? Like, every good business has a good plan, a good business plan. So ladies and gentlemen, here's FashionBrain's business plan. First off, let me just give you a quick summary. Our vision is to create a world where no one has to worry about what they wear anymore, so they can just express themselves openly and just look good. And I'm sure with a good team and a clear roadmap, we can become the go-to outfits recommendation app in the world. Next up is the problem that we're solving. So again, it's a problem that you don't really think about, but when you do, you see how much of a problem it is. Like, tell me this. When's the last time you went out, you wanted to look good, and you didn't spend more than 30 minutes looking for a good outfit? This app will take away the hassle and lets you do whatever you want. You don't even have to think about it. Just go out, be yourself, do good, and look good. So how are we going to do that exactly? So it's simple. We make the app free. And we take feedback from the users every time they get a recommendation. And with the help of machine learning, the AI evolves every time you use it. So for every person, their own FashionBrain looks unique. It's for their own user. We will also partner up with online stores and fashion brands to create a seamless purchase experience while also taking a cut of the sales made on the app. And we're planning to make the interface so easy to use. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman, child, adult or old. You can use it without any problem. So you may think, like, yeah, this is a good idea, but I'm sure someone else made it already. Well, we have competitors, but none of them combine 3D scanning, machine learning, and user preferences at the same time. Like our biggest competitor, Stitch Fix, which is the go-to app for fashion advice right now. It has like big problems, like not having enough styles, so that not every customer will get satisfaction. Like charging $20 every recommendation, and also only recommending expensive clothes, so they get more profit off selling them. The market opportunity for this kind of app is huge, as the global fashion industry is vast, with millions of users seeking fashion advice every day. And FashionBrain will target audiences who are everyday individuals, but also looking for fashion advice. Our revenue, we estimated that after 9 months of launch, FashionBrain can bring in millions. of dollars just off profiting a small percentage of the sales made on the app. But how are we going to make this? Like, the process of making it is simple but not easy, as it uses a lot of AI technology. We estimate a 4-person team, a 8-person team, consisting of 4 programmers, 2 stylists, 1 CEO, and an accountant, to be the exact number of people we need to make the app work as intended. But enough of me boring the audience with business talk. If you want to contact us, here's our business phone number and also our social media. And if you're interested in a sponsorship and want to get FashionBrain's full business plan, you can contact us through our email, and we will be happy to send it to you. So let me just finish off by saying this. We want to make a world where you don't have to think anymore. You just act. So go out, be yourself, be unique, embrace your uniqueness with FashionBrain. Thank you. Quick shout out to Mr. Jiva and Mrs. Sari for this wonderful event. I'm sure they worked very hard. And a quick also shout out to Mr. Karami, the head of IT for TIS, and also Sina Raseddin and Paria for this amazing announcement. Thank you all.